Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to delete Bumble account permanently on your device. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to follow the instruction correctly. So before getting started, make sure that you've already updated your application to the latest version and also make sure to log in into your account. First of all, open up your Bumble application. So as you open up your application, you will be directed into a home page. So over here, you'll have to tap on the profile icon in the bottom left corner. As you tap on your profile icon, on the other page, you have all your information or your detail about your profile. So what you have to do is you'll simply have to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, on the other side, you will be directed into settings page. So then scroll all the way to the bottom and right at the bottom you can see delete account. Just tap on it. So once you tap on delete account, there is a confirmation. So then type in delete exactly how it is and after that tap on confirm. You can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted. So that is how you can delete Bumble account permanently on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.